channel. So today I will be creating this look for you guys, and this is like a sunset purple, yellow, orange and stuff. So if you want to know more information or how to create this look, I'm trying also something really different. I'm trying to see how long this is going to last as far as the foundation wise, since I'm really oily. I ended up trying something different today. Anybody can guess? Well, aside of primer, aside of moisturizing, aside of using the matte foundation, I'm actually also gonna use what is called a loose powder. Yep, you heard me right, a loose powder. You can use any type of loose powder. Right now I have this, which is a Too Faced, and then a Laura Mercier, and also I have the Airspun. Let me pull that out real quick. This one. And this is just a translucent powder as well, which I seen Jeffree Star use this. Any beauty guru or anyone that you can find, whatever it's more convenient for you. What I'm trying to do is also incorporate it after priming. I'm gonna set my whole face with a loose powder and then foundation. It's supposed to last even longer, but we'll see throughout the day and see how long it lasts, and I'll show you how to do that as well. This makeup look, it's a mini tutorial, so I hope you guys enjoy it. So let's go on. Alrighty, so let's get starting and rocking. So we're gonna be using this purple shade, and if you can get any purple intense, it would help you out. I'm also using the yellow, and that's gonna be like on the outer of my of my outer V shape, and then we're going to use the orange to go ahead and blend in both colors. So we're going to be using these 3 shades only, and this is from the Juvia's Place palette. You can always find any other kind of shades from any other brand that you preferably like. As you can see, all I'm doing, I'm just going to be patting in the purple shade into my lid, and I'm just going to go ahead and place that all over my lid. I already primed my eye. It's all set and it's ready to start patting in the color. So I'm just here doing it with just any fluffy brush to try to see maybe that will work. Just to put in the color inside of the lid, just on top of the lid. And then as you can see, I'm also using that to drag it up to go ahead and blend it up, like towards the crease of like where you normally would cut. But that's what I'm just doing, just blending it in to diffuse the purple shade. So all I'm doing is just blending and blending. I just feel like it takes sorry guys, I'm just like woken up, try to get you guys ready so y'all can see this. And sorry, it's just all this chaos, you know what I mean, when you wake up. So all I'm doing is just blending it. That's all it takes, is just blending. So on here, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and pop in the orange. As you can see, it's very intense. So if you want to start slow, you can always do so. You can always do a little bit of orange and then be going back and blending. And here what I did, I'm going to go ahead and add in more. I just wanted to intensify and see how much more I could go. So I started blending in more to the top. But of course, once you put the yellow part, which I'm doing right now, it's helping to go ahead and diffuse the color of the mixing in the yellow and the orange. So I'm just blending them together and just blending them. Basically, that's it. As you can see here, I went back in and to put more orange. Like I mentioned earlier, you can always add more. I just wanted to say that you can always start a little bit and then you can work your way up to get more intensified. As you can see here, I'm just putting more orange. It's already blending, so I'm just looking to see how it's gonna look as perfect.
to what I'm looking at, but you can always look at yourself and see how far you can take it. Now this is the best part. Earlier we were using a fluffy brush with the purple, but now I'm using this flat kind of shade brush, and this is gonna help you to go ahead and intensify the color of your lid. So what I did, I went back to the purple, and I'm actually patting in the color of the purple again to intensify and like that blend in the colors and make it more purpler. Is that even a word? Purpler, something like that. So basically all I'm doing is just patting and adding to the color until you are completely satisfied with it. So then I go back into that orange to blend in the purple I added, but also to go ahead and blend in between the shades. And then if you feel like you want to add more yellow, you can do so, but whatever, whatever it's your preferences, it's obviously, your choice. I feel like you can go in however you would like. Alright, well here comes with this lashes from Betty B. These, if you can get your hands onto this is very affordable. They are $19.99. You heard that right. So this is from Sugar Baby, style Sugar Baby, and this is from Betty B lashes. If you know Jenny69, she launched the lashes and they are super amazing. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, everything. And on here, I'm trying the technique of using the whole powder on my face and see how long it lasts my makeup. So this is what I'm doing. I'm just patting in all the loose powder all over my face. But I already primed my face, so I already moisturized and used the primer. So on here, I'm just going to use my normal foundation, as you guys might already know. This is from 3-in-1 Ivory Beige from Estee Lauder Double Wear. So I'm just going to put that in, pat it in, and then blending it out with a beauty blender after that. But I'm just going to put it in. So like that, once it's the translucent powder won't move, so that's why I'm patting it in all over my face with a brush, and then bam 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 with a beauty blender. See what I said? Bam 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 about the beauty blender? That's all I'm doing. Just bam bam bam. Alright, moving on. So now I'm gonna do the bottom. I'm just gonna do almost the same thing. I'm just using the 3 same shades from the top, putting them down under my bottom liner, no, my under eye, as per se. So I'm doing here this the yellow shade, then I'll be doing the orange, and then once I do that, I'm just gonna drag it in all the way inside. But then I'm gonna get a really like pencil type of brush, and with that pencil type of brush, it's gonna do, if you get the purple shade, you want to get really close to your line, or kind of close to your lashes, and that is gonna make that kind of like shade effect of the colors. So what I'm doing here, I'm just gonna go ahead and place that, I will say, like, the darker shade, and then like that, it will smoke it out. And to even make it more intensified, I'm gonna use this shade, which is Seuss from Dose of Colors. Who remembers this collection with Dose of Colors and Katie and Desi? If you remember this, comment down below. So what I'm gonna do with this shade, I'm gonna go ahead and put this in my inner corner so it could make that pop, and oh my god, it looks amazing. Like I was like shocked within myself when I seen this. I was like, I like this. So then, of course, I did it on both eyes. Now I'm gonna go ahead and use this Wet n Wild Dulce de Leche contour. I'm just gonna go ahead and contour my nose, contour all around my face. As you may know, you already seen the procedure, so I'm just gonna show you how I do my nose. That's what I'm doing to contour for my nose to make that chisel perfection, whatever the jazz. And I already set my whole face, you know, all the steps, highlight, blush, and all that stuff. So that's
alrighty, you guys, so I'm done for the day. I'm done with the whole look. I'm done. As you can see, I'm done with my eyes. Let me get you a little bit closer, not farther, closer. And this is what it looks like. It's very, very pretty. I'm in love. I'm impressed how I did this. It has like that orange, yellowish, purple, and then the inner corner pop, and it's really, really good. So this is the final look of this makeup tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. I tried my best. It's not the best. I don't think I'm a pro either, but whatever you can do it. Don't give up. You just have to blend. You just have to play with colors. Don't be scared to use purples, greens, blues, whatever color you can put in your eyelid. It's gonna look beautiful on every skin tone, on every person. So don't be afraid of it. Just go with it, practice. It's just an art to me. Other than that, don't forget to subscribe, be part of my B team as well. Follow me on my social media. Follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook. I'm gonna go ahead and put them down below. And as well, don't forget to comment down below what is your favorite. Let's put a question of the day. How about, what is your favorite color? Comment down below what is your favorite color. Don't forget to share the video, subscribe, like, and don't forget to turn on the post notification for every video as well. With that being said, you have a blessed day and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching and I hope you enjoy.